Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. So guys, in today's video, I'm coming your way with this authentic, delicious Delta State Banga soup and Starch. Please sit back and enjoy. These are the ingredients I'll be using in this recipe. In a bowl, I have pre-cooked meat, which is cow foot, cow tripe, and goat meat. And here is the senior man. Without this, there is no banga soup. I'm using two. Here I have Scotch bonnet pepper and onions. I have Banga Spices. Seasoning cube and salt. Blended crayfish. Here I have Obielentiete with a mix of dried bitter leaf. I have catfish and fresh mackerel fish. And I will start by dissolving the bonnet concentrate with hot water. Full list of ingredients will be in the description box down below. And to my old and new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you all so much for your support. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. And after dissolving, I will strain into another pot and leave it to boil on a high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will go ahead and add in the blended pepper and onions. Follow with blended crayfish and Banga Spices. And I will give it a good stir. Then I will add in the fish. And if you are going to be using periwinkle, you can add it at this point. And unfortunately for me, I don't have it. So guys, let's move. Now we go ahead and add seasoning cube and salt. And at this point, I will add the pre-cooked meat. And as for the meat, you can use any meat of your choice, or you can just as well cook it with just the catfish. And I'm going to remove from this oil that came out from the bonnet concentrate. So this oil, you can use it to cook egusi soup and so on. Now we go ahead and add the Obielentiete and dried bitter leaf. I just want it a little bitter. So that is it. So guys, after I did the Obielentiete and dried bitter leaf, I'll leave it on a low heat for 2 minutes. Banga soup will be ready. Guys, authentic, delicious Delta State Banga soup is finally ready. So right now we are going to make the starch. I will add starch in a small pot, then add water to dissolve. After dissolving, I will add a little bit of red oil. Then keep turning consistently until my starch is ready. Yeah, in Delta State we call it Osi, and in English it's called starch. So guys, food is ready. You can imagine the aroma that is coming out from this food. Your place, this kitchen is scenting. Guys, this food was so delicious. Hey. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up in another form is like. Do not forget to give it a like, leave a comment and share my video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.